This bully is about to attack these two. Why is that?
Hello.
What are you looking at?
Trip was born with a cleft palate, which causes a hole between his nose and mouth.
Just think about it. Humans one day randomly decided to look at a certain type of animal and just be like, I want that. I will lock that thing in my living quarters. It looks cute. Give it to me. I will feed you. You will love me.
Oh, goodness.
To a few people, he may not look normal.
Have it your way all the time. Can't be like 100% of attention on you. Can't
Unlike others, Mom saw something special in Trip. She adopted him as a puppy, and her love for him never faded.
This is Trip. At 5 weeks old, we fostered him from NorCal Bully Breed Rescue. He has a cleft lip and palate. This is how he drinks water so he doesn't get pneumonia.
Beneath his appearance lies a kind and loving heart.
He's a purebred go boy. The first ever purebred go boy. Look at him.
He cares about the people around him, even strangers. He is very gentle with babies.
I have a dog. He's the light of my life and my reason for living. If anybody touched a hair on my dog's head, I would go John Wick on them.
They blamed the Doberman, they blamed the Rottweiler, the German Shepherd, the American Pit Bull Terrier. There's a banned breeds list, there's a dangerous dogs list. Now they're going to start blaming the XL Bully. When are they going to start blaming the backyard breeders who are just unscrupulously pumping out dog after dog and giving them to absolute morons? When are they going to start blaming the humans? Why does the breed always get the fucking blame?
Just laying here thinking, how am I this cute and there's absolutely no one giving me attention?
Trip is a cuddle monster who enjoys being in his parents' arms. Sometimes he can be mischievous.
Huh?
What the dog doing?
Trip enjoys surprising people by sneaking up and then chasing them.
Figure, look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, would you look at that? Just look at it. Just look at it. Yeah, well. What the heck is that? Ah! Why are you running? Why are you running? Yay!
Hi! Hi!
Knowing Trip's personality, his parents shower him with love and care, ensuring he never feels self-pity. Surrounded by parents' love, Trip blossoms with confidence and happiness.
How are you even real? Like, look at that face. Look at that face. Ugh, you're freaking perfect.
Oh, look at that. You
cute little puppy. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, yeah.
Just like any dog, a disabled dog needs our love, care, and compassion just as much as any other furry friend. Big hugs to all the incredible pet parents. Thank you, and see you next time.